Welcome to VU Gate. Today we are covering the most important MCQs of CS606. Compiler construction. The main purpose of a compiler is to. The correct answer is option B, translate high-level code to machine code. Which phase of the compiler checks syntax? The correct answer is option B, syntax analyzer. The output of lexical analyzer is. The correct answer is option B, tokens. Which data structure is used in symbol table management? The correct answer is option C, hash table. A context-free grammar is used in which phase? The correct answer is option B, syntax analysis. Which parsing technique is bottom-up? The correct answer is option C, SLR parsing. The first set in parsing is used to. The correct answer is option A, determine terminals that begin strings. Which of these is a leftmost derivation? The correct answer is option A, deriving leftmost non-terminal first. Shift-reduce parsing uses which data structure? The correct answer is option B, stack. YACC tool is used for? The correct answer is option B, syntax analysis. The follow set is used in? The correct answer is option A, top-down parsing. Which grammar is suitable for recursive descent parsing? The correct answer is option B, right recursive grammar. An ambiguous grammar. The correct answer is option A, has more than one parse tree for a string. Semantic analysis deals with. The correct answer is option B, type checking. Syntax-directed translation associates. The correct answer is option A, grammar rules with semantic actions, which is an intermediate code form. The correct answer is option A, 3-address code. Quadruples representation has how many fields? The correct answer is option B, 4. Common subexpression elimination is a type of. The correct answer is option B, code optimization. DAG stands for. The correct answer is option A, directed acyclic graph. Peephole optimization works on. The correct answer is option A, small set of instructions. Register allocation is part of. The correct answer is option A, code generation. Which algorithm is used for register allocation? The correct answer is option A, graph coloring. The main memory is accessed through. The correct answer is option B, cache. Static storage allocation is used for. The correct answer is option A, global variables. Activation record is used for. The correct answer is option A, function calls, which is not a phase of compiler. The correct answer is option C, execution. Lexical analyzer is also called. The correct answer is option B, scanner. Regular expressions are used in. The correct answer is option A, lexical analysis. Finite automata are used to recognize. The correct answer is option A, tokens, which is a token. The correct answer is option A, identifier. Parsing tree is also called. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. A non-terminal symbol is usually written in. The correct answer is option A, uppercase. Left factoring is used to eliminate. The correct answer is option C, common prefixes. Eliminating left recursion is important for. The correct answer is option A, top-down parsing. SLR, LALR, and LR are types of. The correct answer is option B, bottom-up parsers. Handle pruning is done in. The correct answer is option A, shift-reduce parsing. The stack in LR parsing contains. The correct answer is option A, states and symbols. Semantic actions are performed during. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Attribute grammar is used in. The correct answer is option A, syntax-directed translation. Synthesized attributes are. The correct answer is option A, passed from child to parent. Inherited attributes are. The correct answer is option A, passed from parent to child, which is not a type of intermediate code. The correct answer is option C, binary code. Triples representation uses. The correct answer is option A, 3 fields. Basic blocks are used in. The correct answer is option A, code optimization. A basic block has. The correct answer is option A, single entry, single exit. Control flow graph represents. The correct answer is option A, flow between basic blocks. Dead code elimination removes. The correct answer is option C, both A and B constant folding is. The correct answer is option A, replacing constants with their values. Inline expansion is related to. The correct answer is option A, function calls. Loop optimization includes. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Instruction scheduling is done to. The correct answer is option A, avoid pipeline stalls. The target machine's instruction set is considered in. The correct answer is option A, code generation. Which is a code generation algorithm? The correct answer is option A, Seth-Ullman algorithm. TAC stands for. The correct answer is option A, 3-address code. Backpatching is used for. The correct answer is option A, jump instructions. Symbol table stores. The correct answer is option A, variable names and types. Scope management uses. The correct answer is option A, stack. Static scoping means. The correct answer is option A, scope determined at compile time. Dynamic scoping means. The correct answer is option A, scope determined at runtime. Error recovery and parsing can be done by. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Lex tool is used for. The correct answer is option A, lexical analysis. The lexical analyzer reads. The correct answer is option A, source code, which is not a compiler writing tool. The correct answer is option C, GCC. Intermediate code is useful because it is. The correct answer is option A, machine independent. Code motion is an optimization that. The correct answer is option A, moves code out of loops. Strength reduction replaces. The correct answer is option A, expensive operations with cheaper ones. Data flow analysis is used in. The correct answer is option A, code optimization. Liveness analysis determines. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Register spilling occurs when. The correct answer is option A, no registers are free. The final phase of compiler is. The correct answer is option A, code generation.